Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to leave a review on Shein. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive straight into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store, search for Shein, and make sure Shein is up to date to the latest version. Once that's done, click on Open, and from the home page here, you need to look down and click on where it says Me. And then on this page, click on where it says review. I've got a few items to review, so I'm going to leave a review on these items I got. So you can give it a rating out of 5. Write 20 more characters in this spot here. You also get 5 points, Shein points, for writing more than 20 characters. If you upload a photo, up to 3 photos, you get an extra 10 points. And if you add in the size information, you get an extra 2 points. So all up, you'll get 17 points up altogether for leaving one review on per item. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out. Alright guys, I've just filled out this page. Should look similar to this once you fill yours out. I've got another one to leave a review on, but I'm just going to skip that for now. And now once you've done reviewing, click on submit. And then click on no, resume commenting later. But if you're only doing one item, say yes, continue commenting. Click that. Wait for it to load. And now to review your points that you've got, just click in, go back to the home screen of Shein, click onto points, and then click on points history. And there you go, I got 17 points for reviewing that pair of jeans. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.